Do it with me now, come on. Down around the corner, half a mile from here, you see them long trains run, and you watch them disappear. Without love, where would you be now? Without love, you know I saw Miss Lucy down along the tracks. She lost her home and her family, and she won't be coming back. Without love, where would you be now? Without love, well, the Illinois Central and the Southern Central Blaze, you gotta keep on pushing, mama, 'cause you know they're running late. Without love, where would you be right now? Without love, and the Southern Central braid, you gotta keep on pushing, mama, 'cause you know they're